This is a tutorial for a handstand into a straight leg sit-up, so you should definitely already have a straight leg release to be able to do this. Some people, I actually learned a straight leg release by sitting up from it. I just got more comfortable with the leg grip, but if you've got no one around to spot you, then I definitely recommend that you just keep working on the straight leg release until you do it this way. But I'll give you like an option to work with some pillows and tuck your head under and stuff. So your handstand, you're going to take handstand in, so you should already have a handstand to get to this. And then once your legs come over, so before I show you, I'll just talk you through this. Once your legs come over, you need to sort of drop your legs down a little bit, so you're taking a bit of an arch in your lower back. Drop your legs down and then re-grab with your thighs. So it's like they go over a little bit and then you open to re-grab, and that's how you're going to get the grip in your thighs and down the front of your thigh as well. So I'll show you what it looks like. So I'm just going in. I don't want my hands too close to the pole because I'm not going to have space to do that re-grab that I've just been speaking about. So I want to be at least this far away because then there's like enough space for my bum. So that's a good way to measure it. So where do your toes end if you stand in front of the pole, and that's where your hands should go. So if we take ourselves up, I'm just catching the pole with one foot and then I rest my bum against the pole. And then from there, I take the legs over, open the ankles and grab to cross them. And then in a straight leg release position, and then I just take a big sit up, and that's what you do. So it's really important that you've got the grip before you sit up. If you haven't got the grip, you're just going to fall down, and that's not fun for anyone. If you do feel like, oh, I've sat up halfway and I don't think I can get any further, just tuck your chin to your chest. Don't let go with your legs, just slowly squeeze, release the squeeze and lower down, and work with a little cushion if you can. Obviously, it's a little bit harder with a cushion if you've got your hands down, so I'd recommend the spotter. So watch that a few times over. Remember, the ankles open, cross, then you know that you've got your weight in your legs. Okay, so go and have a little play around with that.